Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a very interesting new SUV that could make a big impact on Pakistan's electric vehicle market. The upcoming 2026 Deepal S05 REEV. Now if you've been following the automotive market in Pakistan, you've probably noticed that electric and electrified vehicles are becoming more common. But the Deepal S05 REEV is interesting for a different reason. It's designed to give you the advantages of electric driving, while also offering the confidence of a range-extending system for longer journeys. And according to the information currently being promoted in Pakistan, this is being positioned as Pakistan's first CKD range-extended EV, with a claimed range confidence of more than 1,000 kilometers. The booking price being advertised is around PKR 99,000, although buyers should always confirm the latest official price and specifications before making a decision. So, what exactly makes the Deepal S05 REEV worth talking about? Let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior. The first thing you notice is that this SUV doesn't look like a traditional family crossover. The design is modern, clean, and futuristic, with a very aerodynamic shape. Up front, the S05 has a smooth-looking fascia with slim LED lighting that gives it a very distinctive appearance. Instead of relying on a large traditional grille like many petrol SUVs, the design focuses more on clean surfaces and aerodynamic styling. The headlights look sharp and modern, while the overall front end gives the vehicle a wider and more confident stance. The bonnet has sculpted lines that add some muscle without making the SUV look unnecessarily aggressive. Move around to the side and the design becomes even more interesting. You get a smooth roofline, modern alloy wheels, flush-style door handles, and clean body panels. There are fewer unnecessary lines, which gives the S05 a premium appearance. And this is one area where newer electric vehicles are clearly different from many older SUVs. Manufacturers are now paying much more attention to aerodynamics and efficiency, while still trying to make the vehicle look sporty. At the rear, the S05 continues that futuristic theme. The lighting design is sleek, the rear profile is nicely sculpted, and the overall shape gives the SUV a wider appearance. Personally, I think the S05 looks like the kind of vehicle that could appeal to buyers who want something modern without going for an extremely large SUV. But the biggest story isn't just the styling. It's what's happening underneath. The Deepal S05 REEV uses a range-extended electric vehicle setup. In simple words, the vehicle is primarily designed around electric driving, while a fuel-powered engine works as a range extender when needed. That means the idea is to give drivers the smooth and quiet character of an electric vehicle, while reducing some of the range anxiety that can come with a fully electric car. And this is especially interesting for Pakistan. Think about a driver who normally uses the car for city driving. They might want the quietness, instant response, and modern driving experience of an EV. But then there's the occasional long trip, maybe Islamabad to Lahore, Karachi to Hyderabad, or another long-distance journey. For some EV owners, charging availability on long routes can still be a concern. A range-extended system is designed to make that situation less stressful. The advertised range figure of more than 1,000 kilometers is certainly one of the biggest talking points around the S05. But remember that real-world range can vary depending on driving conditions, speed, temperature, load, and how the vehicle is operated. Now let's talk about something that many Pakistani buyers will be interested in. Can this SUV actually handle rough roads? The S05 is primarily a modern crossover rather than a hardcore off-road machine. So if you're expecting something designed to compete with a serious body-on-frame 4x4, that's not really the purpose here. However, its SUV-style ground clearance, comfortable suspension, setup, and modern traction systems should make it suitable for normal, everyday challenges, broken roads, speed bumps, uneven streets, and light gravel or dirt roads. For serious off-roading, you would still want a vehicle specifically designed for that purpose. But for everyday Pakistani roads, the S05's crossover format makes a lot of sense. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Deepal S05 really starts to feel like a modern vehicle. The cabin follows a minimalist design philosophy. Instead of filling the dashboard with dozens of physical buttons, the interior focuses heavily on digital controls and a large central display. The dashboard looks clean and futuristic, while the steering wheel and center console are designed to keep the cabin feeling uncluttered. You also get a premium-looking seating layout, modern materials, and plenty of technology. The large central screen is obviously one of the main attractions. For a younger generation of buyers, this kind of digital interior has become almost expected in a modern EV. The overall cabin should feel much more like a technology product than an old-fashioned car interior. And that's an important difference when you compare the S05 with older generation vehicles. A few years ago, the typical SUV dashboard was dominated by physical switches, traditional gauges, and a more conventional center console. Today, vehicles like the S05 are moving toward large screens, cleaner dashboards, connected features, and a much more digital experience. For passengers, the S05 also aims to provide a comfortable and spacious environment, making it suitable not just for the driver but for family use as well. Of course, actual equipment can vary depending on the Pakistani specification, so things like exact screen size, driver assistance functions, audio system, seat features, and connectivity should be confirmed from the official local specification. One thing I particularly like about the S05 concept is that it doesn't look like it's trying too hard to advertise itself as an EV. It looks like a modern SUV first. That could be important for buyers who want new technology, but don't necessarily want a vehicle that looks completely different from everything else on the road. Now let's talk about pricing. The currently advertised booking price for the Deepal S05 REEV in Pakistan is around PKR 999,000. At roughly 10 million rupees, this is obviously not a budget vehicle. But the comparison shouldn't simply be about the sticker price. You have to look at what kind of technology, range capability, interior equipment, and ownership experience you're getting for that money. For someone comparing the S05 with a conventional petrol SUV, the calculation is going to be different. A traditional petrol vehicle may have simpler refueling and a familiar ownership experience, while the S05 is targeting buyers who want newer technology and an electrified driving experience. And compared with a fully electric vehicle, the range extender concept could be attractive to people who like EV driving but remain concerned about long-distance travel and charging infrastructure. That's really where I think the S05 has an interesting position. It sits somewhere between the traditional petrol world and the fully electric future. And compared with previous Deepal models, the S05 represents another step toward making electrified technology more accessible in a smaller and more practical SUV package. Instead of going for a huge luxury SUV, the S05 focuses on a size and design that should work well for everyday urban driving while still providing enough practicality for family use. Of course, there are still questions that buyers will want answered. How will the vehicle perform in Pakistan's hot summers? What will the long-term battery performance be like? How easy will servicing be? What will replacement parts cost? And perhaps most importantly, how strong will the charging and after-sales support network become? These are the things that will ultimately determine whether the S05 becomes a genuine success in Pakistan.